Bullying is a form of aggressive behavior characterized by repeated and intentional actions intended to cause fear, distress, or harm to another person, often involving an imbalance of power or strength. There are different types of bullying, including physical, verbal, social, and cyberbullying. Physical bullying involves physical actions such as hitting, kicking, or tripping. Verbal bullying includes teasing, name calling, and making inappropriate remarks. Social bullying involves spreading rumors, excluding someone, or damaging one's reputation. Cyberbullying takes place online through social media, texts, or emails. Bullying can have significant effects on children, such as low self esteem, depression, anxiety, and academic difficulties. It's crucial to address and prevent bullying in schools to ensure the well being of all students. Emotional impacts of bullying may include anxiety, depression, and low self esteem. Academic performance, decreased focus, absenteeism, and decreased academic achievement, physical health, somatic complaints, sleep disturbances, and psychosomatic symptoms, long term consequences, lasting impact on mental health and overall well being. Bullying can have severe and long lasting effects on children, impacting their emotional, social, and psychological well being. Among these effects, one significant point is the increased risk of suicidal thoughts and behaviors. When a child experiences persistent bullying, they may feel isolated, helpless, and unworthy, which can lead to intense emotional pain and a desire to escape the situation. It is crucial for adults to recognize and address bullying to prevent these devastating consequences on children's mental health. Recognizing the signs of bullying. Physical signs: unexplained injuries, torn clothing, or missing belongings. Emotional signs: sudden changes in mood, withdrawal, or fear of attending school. Academic signs: declining grades, loss of interest in school activities. To recognize the signs of bullying, pay attention to changes in the victim's behavior, such as increased anxiety, sadness, or withdrawal from social activities. Observe if they have unexplained injuries or damaged belongings. Additionally, be aware of any rumors or gossip surrounding the victim, as well as the presence of a group of students who may be targeting them. Address these concerns with the appropriate authority and support the victim to ensure their safety and well being. To stop bullying, schools can implement various strategies, including educating students and staff about bullying, creating a safe and supportive school environment, implementing anti bullying policies, providing counseling and support services for victims and perpetrators, and encouraging open communication about bullying incidents. Creating a positive school environment, promoting inclusivity, kindness, and empathy, implementing anti bullying policies, clear consequences for bullying behavior, encouraging reporting, providing safe channels for students to report incidents of bullying, empowering bystanders, educating students on how to intervene and support victims. Support for bullied children, counseling and mental health support, providing access to professional help for those affected by bullying. Peer support groups, creating safe spaces for students to share their experiences and receive support from peers. Family involvement, engaging parents and guardians in addressing and preventing bullying. Prevention programs and initiatives. Social emotional learning programs promoting empathy, conflict resolution, and positive communication skills. Character education, instilling values such as respect, kindness, and inclusivity. Peer mentoring programs, pairing older students with younger ones to offer support and guidance. Creating a culture of respect, educating students, staff, and parents about the impact of bullying. Fostering a culture of respect and acceptance, encouraging open dialogue and communication about bullying. I hope this video helps to shed light on the important issue of bullying and provides insights into addressing and preventing it in school environments. Thank you.